Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2022 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4xe. That's right, this is the hybrid Wrangler. 375 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque. Absolutely great. I'm gonna get out of the way of that truck. So you do have nice blue accents. This is gonna be loud. You do have nice blue accents all scattered throughout. Your tow hitch, your badging, all up here too. That's your biggest external indicator. Aha! So there's your drive mode buttons. Your full electric hybrid e-save. So that's what I should have been pressing. Because the battery charge is pretty low on this one, so it might not be making peak torque. But regardless. Wow, okay. So, made it to the hybrid system. You have the 2-liter turbo. On its own, it's a pretty good motor, plenty of torque. Combined with this, it's even torqueier. How was our electric mode? Yeah, okay, thought so. Temporarily unavailable. So e-save, it's going to preserve your battery charge and use the engine to charge everything up. Just in case e-save takes power away, let me put it back into hybrid mode. Whoa. Okay. That's a lot of torque. Now it's time to let this battery charge. Handling, it's a Wrangler. It's not going to be game changing. But I have to say, I had a 2-liter Rubicon, this generation Wrangler, JL? Yeah, JL. I had a V6 Sahara, whatever you want to say. The only Wrangler I haven't driven is the 392, but I had a 392, so I know that powertrain. guys, this is good. But let me also say, it doesn't ruin the Jeep experience. It drives just like any other Wrangler when you get the hybrid experience out of your mind. It drives like a normal Wrangler. In fact, actually, handling might be a little bit better just because of the battery pack. And the way it has torque out of corners. It's pretty good. And they're hard to come by too. Everybody's having to order them because they're hard to find on dealer lots. They're basically non-existent. That's the thing, Adam here at Autoworld, he stocks all the cars that you can't find. New Tundras, top trim levels, he's got them. RAV4 Primes, he's got them. Kia EV6, he's got it. It's just crazy what he finds out there. You know, and when I've been filming with these guys since they moved to the new location on 2nd Street. And the inventory's just gotten crazier. And in a time where it's hard to get new cars, these guys have all the hot new cars that people are trying to buy. It's good. It's good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.